Being part of a clean, healthy community is making sure we're looking after every aspect of our shire. We're on the banks of the Avon River now, or Bilyakep, or Gongoola. So if we look after that, we're looking after the environment. So that in turn looks after our flora and fauna, which looks after us. So it's a win-win all around.
Our elders looked after this land and kept it clean for centuries. And that's the main thing that we'd like to do, is just learn to do the same thing that what they did.
You might live here your whole life, your family. You want to see it nice and healthy and clean. So I think if you love your country and you love your town, look after it as it's your own. We all pitch in. It would have a huge impact on the land in the long run.
People in the community can help care for country just by doing their part. You always put litter in the rubbish bin for the animals and the environment. Try to keep it as clean as you can. It's a positive effect.
If you learn to look after the land, it'll look after you and everybody else who's around you.
At Wundowie, we value care of the community and care of the environment, and the Adopt a Spot is part of that. We asked the students, where would you like to clean up in the community? The majority chose the skate park. And so we've done about 3 or 4 cleans now, and the kids get right into it and they enjoy putting the vests on and getting the tools. They're really getting used to knowing it might not be your rubbish, but this is our space, and we share it and we clean up after each other as well, because we want to keep our community clean.
It's been really beneficial. Our students, their attitudes towards litter prevention are just so much better now. They really take pride in our school and care for things. So it's been really awesome to see.
Reach out to Keep Australia Beautiful WA. They'll help you get you on the right track, where to go next, what's available. It's had a positive impact on our whole school. Makes you want to come to school every day. It's great.
We stop litter by doing Adopt a Spot.
This helps our skate park get clean and tidy. The more rubbish we pick up, the better the environment is.
It's easier for people to walk when they don't step on stuff.
It's better to have a clean environment than a messy one,
because rubbish can cause pollution. It makes me happy to come to a clean school and just feel like I can learn and my mindset's better. I feel really proud when it's clean because everyone helps us.
Makes me proud of the community, and it makes me want to live here.
What would I say to other kids to get them involved?
Help your school stay clean and beautiful, and pick up litter when you see it. Cleaning up the environment, more people will copy you and make a chain reaction. If you like animals, why don't help them?
Critically endangered species may come back as the earth is a lot cleaner. It'll help keep this place clean and nice for everyone to play around.
So you don't stop bushfires, and it's really dangerous if you stop bushfires? If you look after the environment, good things will happen to you when you're older, and it will help you grow up and be a nicer person.
I've been living here in Northam for 1.5 years now. Every now and then I like to go for a run, go for a walk with my family. And one of the things that I like the most about Australia is that most of the streets are always clean and well maintained, right? And seeing that some areas in my neighborhood were not, just motivated me to start doing it by myself. Once I found out about the Keep Australia Beautiful Adopt a Spot project, I just approached the Shire of Northam, and they supported me with containers, with tongs, with gloves, and with proper containers for me to put the syringes to be safely discarded. I think that every small action contributes for the bigger picture for sure. So keeping your area litter-free, it's easy, it's free. It will make you feel empowered. It will make you feel better about your environment. And I believe you feel better about your whole community, you know?
We started Northam Cleanup Community 6 years ago. We do cleanups every first Saturday of every month, and we meet depending on what areas need doing. But we also have lots of individuals that take bags and pick up rubbish daily, like on their walks, wherever they go around the river or through the park. It does work, like once it's clean and people see there's not rubbish there anymore, then they're not so inclined to dump it.
I enjoy the feeling of accomplishment that you've cleaned up an area. Like when you're done, you can walk away and it's clean and tidy. And it's a good group of people that you might not otherwise catch up with or see. So yeah, that's nice too.
As soon as you get involved in volunteering, you'll love it, and you'll just do more and more, meet new people. It's great for your mental health. There's a whole range of exciting opportunities out there. You just got to step up and get involved.
Everyone has a part to doing, making our Shire litter free. Being a hands-on hero, by yourself you can do a little bit, but when we all chip in and do it, together we make a big difference.